online shoppers. This awesome little sewing caddy just arrived in the mail today, and I want to show you all the great features. Now this is the Singer Sew It Goes sewing caddy, and it is a portable sewing box that has lots of different applications. It pretty much arrives from the company out of the box like this. They have some cello wrap around the outside, which I am going to cut so that I can open it up. One of the nice things about it is this really nice collection of thread. In order to open up the top, open up the little latch like this, and this white handle comes like this, opens up all of your thread. You have a wide variety of colors. I'm just gonna tip it so you can see all the different colors that are right there. One reason I chose this sewing kit is it comes fully stocked with all kinds of great stuff. Now these drawers pull out. This one here is an empty one, so you can use this and customize it to put in the things that you want. There are these hinged drawers right here that open up with a little bit of a push. This one here on this side also has another whole collection of thread. You've got all these little spools. You can see there's actually a little peg right here, and the spool of thread fits right on top of it. In the next shelf down, you've got a great little flap over top on this side and on this side, so you can put it in either way. Inside here you have your little dial of needles. You have a collection of different thimbles. You also have these really nice little needle threaders, a variety of different sizes and colors of safety pins. And then on this side over here you have buttons and clasps and closures and snaps, all kinds of things that you would use for quick repair. And on your bottom shelf down here, they've also included a couple other really cool little tools. You get a sweet little tomato pin cushion right there. You get a full-length 5-foot measuring tape, great quality with the really nice metal closure on the end. You get a great set of scissors, nice and sharp, very comfortable. And you also get a wonderful little stitch ripper. Once you're done using your kit, all you have to do is close it up like that, bring the lid over, lock this front down in place, snap this in place, and everything is completely secured. This is a way to hold the drawers in, so even if I tip it this way, nothing is coming out until I lift up this enclosure to access the drawers. Where are the dressmaker's pins? And that will give you 18 times 150 yards. You've got all kinds of really great colors in here that will go for just about any sewing project that you could imagine. And over here, this section right here, this is all hand sewing thread. You get 25 yards each of all of these little colors. I was excited that I would have lots of space to store all of my sewing gadgets. This is going to let me put everything in here, and these clear drawers make it easy for me to see. I love this secure latch system that it has right here. Just clips into place, and it's nice and easy to move. And I've got just about everything I need all in one nice snazzy little box, and let you see everything that you have right at your fingertips. I'm really excited to take this and customize it exactly the way I want. Fill this up, organize everything, and just have Sewing Central right here at my fingertips whenever I need it. If you are looking for a great sewing caddy that is for your home, where all of your great tools are organized, this Sew It Goes Singer Sewing Caddy is awesome, and I think it's definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.